Everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. To go bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did win by default and without any doubt.
By the way, I have not had any breakfast yet. I don't know. When we're on vacation, sometimes I like eat too early. Because you know what a picture there and it's something they have to take. So, and I'm not hungry. So we're gonna leave out the breakfast for now until lunchtime. Or if we're gonna start at the KFC. Just need to let's see what we're working with this hat. Yeah, looks good.
Thank you.
Buenos dias. What tours do you have for tomorrow? Do you have the coffee? What's it called?
The safari?
Safari? No, the coffee tour. What's it called?
Supreme?
Oh, I don't remember. Or what do you have available? I don't want the tour with the buggy or. I don't want any of that.
You don't want to do the buggies?
No.
Okay, this is the Dominican safari, we call it. So in this one, you can do safari truck.
Okay.
They take you Dominican living. They take you to historical Gateway Church. They take you to the market. There is some time you can do little horses. Dominican lodge is included. They take you also to the plantation, so you can see a little bit of the agriculture, and there are some beach time also on the tour.
Okay, how long does it last?
It is, you leave in like at 8:20 in the morning, and you are coming back between 3:40, 4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. Okay, how much is it?
$100 per person.
Okay, I can book it for tomorrow morning?
Yeah?
Okay, so I'm gonna go and come back.
Okay.
Okay, I'll be back. Thanks.
It's gonna be good.
Okay, great. What time are you leaving?
I'm leaving at 12.
12. 12. Okay, so I need to go and come back now. All right. Thank you. Okay, so that tour is $100. So I'm going to do that one. It's a bit more local and all of that. So we're gonna do that one.
The stone Epic Dominican, the Larima, the national stone.
The blue one?
Yeah.
What's it called again?
Larima.
Lalma.
Larima.
Lalma.
It's Dominican diamond.
Ah,
Yeah.
Lalma.
You come yesterday or?
Long time. I've been here for a while.
I never see you on the beach.
First time on the beach, but
Okay,
I've been
right,
here.
right,
Yeah.
right. Never see you before on the beach.
Yeah. Today's my first day at the beach.
Okay. What activity do you do for vacation?
None yet.
Nothing?
I would say
But
have enough
You
money.
live in America? Or?
Jamaica.
No, but you from America, but you live in America?
I live in Jamaica.
Okay, that's good.
Jamaica.
Oh, Jamaica, forever.
Maldives, yes.
Forever. ever. Jamaica. I never see the Jamaican money. You have some with you? Jamaican money, never see that.
Jamaica. You've never seen Jamaica, man?
No, never in my life. Never see that in my life.
Oh. Well, you need to go to Jamaica.
Yeah, but I wish to be there. And to smoke the good stuff.
Gracias.
Yeah.
No, I'm going to wear it now.
Okay, let me put it for you. You're my first customer. You're my good luck. Thank you.
Oh,
very
yeah?
much, yeah?
No problem.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you so much.
All right, gracias.
It's a good luck for me.
Hope you get more
Yeah,
customers
thank you.
today.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Policia. I don't even know if it's a police. But it says tourist protection. So I guess it's a form of security. So I literally been chilling at the beach for moving on to 3 hours now. It's just so peaceful, relaxing. I think I'm gonna go by the pool right now. Oh, it's a bug. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go by the swim up bar. I haven't been in the pool since I've been here. So yeah, we're gonna go by the pool. We're gonna see if the adult, I'm gonna try the adults first and then the regular size to see which one is booming more. More than likely it's gonna be like the general one. The adult vibe is just kind of meh. So I'm actually gonna check the app to see what going right now. It's 3:37 now. Ross, time run fasty. Alright, let's see what going now. Maybe at the beach, the internet not that strong. Signal low and it's in there. Let's see what it is. So let's call it 4 o'clock now. So they have bingo at 4. I love bingo. Where is that keeping? Oh, Daisy Club. That far. And they have bachata class. That sounds good. Step aerobics. Hell no. I have my abachi appointment. Reservoir. Oh, I don't remember the Spanish. But anyway, reservation at 8. I think I'm gonna just go by the pool then. But so far so good. This is a vacation that I wanted. Just relax and, you know, yeah, have some nice time. Just have a relaxing vibe.
Hello, wow. Keep the sky, yo. Blase, 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 then you turn that. Ready, ready.
You really need to live your life and open your eyes.
I went over to the family side pool and it was good, but they're having something over the adult side too, so I decided to just stay here. So they're playing a game by the adult side, so we're just staying here for the rest of the day until it's time for 8.
Iguales. Times. England. Ok. Ven Enrique aquí. Ven aquí. Ven. England, come here. Ok, England.
Hey y'all, so we are heading to our hibachi reservation. I have 5 minutes to go. I don't know how the rest of the vlog is gonna go because my phone is full. There's no space on my phone. Like literally, I video on my phone, I edit on my phone. You know, I don't have any other iPhone device that I can transfer. I have 2 iPhones, one, and both of them is connected, so there's literally no space. So I have no idea how the rest of my holiday is gonna go and what you guys will see for this vlog, because yeah, your home goes space. The space is done. We've been videoing in 4K. That's how I video, and you know, yeah. So the last fit for tonight, y'all know these dresses. I did a haul, and that's the next reason why I did a haul, because I know more than likely I may run off the space. But anyways, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my solo vlog. I just have to more than likely end it here. We don't know, we will see.
I want a sugar rim instead of a salt rim. We have to take another one.
Oh no, this is one and done. If I take
Come on now.
Ready?
Cheers.
Up in my country roads, take me home to the place.
I know probably I would have told you guys that hey, my battery is not the battery, sorry, the space on my phone is running out. Yes it is, but I don't know, we're gonna figure it out. We are going on our tour today, the Supreme tour. You do walking, market, all type of stuff, and I really want to show you guys this experience as well. So we're gonna just figure out this space, y'all. But yeah, quick fit. We're gonna head to breakfast. It's 10 minutes to 8 p.m. I should be at the front by 9, so I'm gonna eat, book my reservation for the steakhouse tonight. So that is my last night, by the way. And then yeah, we're gonna head out of here. I put back on this swimsuit because it's just a one piece, and they said you need swimsuit, towel, all of that, so we may swim. So I just put on back this one piece swimsuit with just this tights and my slippers. Let's go.
No, o sea, los dos juntos sí, pero así.
Our first stop, the horses.
Ahí está el caballo, sí, pero a mí no.
This is the nicotine part. Esta es la nicotina, chicos. Es donde hacen los cigarrillos de esta, ¿eh? This is the nicotine. That's why they are not so strong. So they roll it and they press in here. So they got aroma of vanilla and some others.
I didn't mean she love me. I didn't mean she want me, she don't need no money. She really running, really on a run, she really something. Maybe honestly, I need to get serious.
This is pressed. Also the plantation back in here.
So after the horses, now we're at a basic school. That's so that's so cool that we're going into the people at school. That is wild.
together at the market. Vamos a caminar todos juntos en el mercado. Anything you want to leave in here, no problem. Pozo químico. Ese es sal. Salt. Ese es sal.
She can make crime with me, oh Lord. Need a little time for me.
Ah oui, pourquoi, s'il te plaît, ouais.
We're gonna go upstairs to see what's up there.
Oh, we have a mall.
Okay, thanks. Gracias. Yeah.
Any difference or about the same?
No. So the third stop is the church. They said that they're gonna give us something to cover up our knees so we can't go in, you know, with any short shorts, which is understandable. But he said the shoulders, you don't need to cover the shoulders, but the below, yo, is hot. The time is hot.
In the picture, we have also price. Picture, video.
Oh, you can go ahead.
Photo, video. You got it? The photo?
Empanada with egg. Tastes alright. Okay, so this is how they dry the chocolates. It definitely smells.
Even if they dry it on the sun so hot, it doesn't melt. It doesn't melt. Like chocolate, you know. Saben que aunque se seca sin el sol no se derrite.
Pero porque tiene casca.
No, es que el 100% no se derrite. El chocolate normal, bueno, no se derrite. The original chocolate, it doesn't melt. So that's why the company, you know, makes so many products. Que se lo den en la boquita.
Oh no, no try.
Okay. So look at this, family. This is the one dried, and then after they roast it, so it turns to be chocolate. Miren acá cuando lo tuestan. Come on, my man, work a little bit. Grind over there. Vacation work. Just grind it there, the side. Yeah, don't worry, go. So this is the bitter chocolate. That's the best for diet. This one is not that one.
Okay.
This is the chocolate because the one.
I really like chocolate, but I'll try it. Just half spoon because I don't really like. Me no gusto chocolate.
No te gusta, pero te va a gustar ese. Sin azúcar.
Okay, I don't like chocolate. I don't like chocolate, but I'm gonna try it.
You didn't like it?
No. Is this chocolate with milk?
That's the one with milk now. Isa is the mama from 6 children.
Alright, babe, so we are back from our excursion. It was so good, worth $100. We did go to the beach. I'm not sure if I videoed that. After all of the tour, we went to the beach. The beach that we went to was literally right at the Dreams Hotel. Oh, the hotel looked nice. What's it called? Mako? I don't know how to pronounce it, so we're just gonna put the name of the beach that we went to. But the water wasn't bad there. Didn't go into it. We just chill, sat down for a while until yeah, I was ready. But yeah, the tour was good and everything. So yeah, we did a little damage today when, you know, I think I spent almost like $150. Not too bad in total. I got souvenirs, you know, tips for the drivers, the guide, yeah, stuff like that. But it's literally our last day, and today we are leaving the resort tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. My transfer is coming to pick me up. So number one, I didn't get to go to the lazy river. I'll know when I reach the bowling alley. We are going to the lighthouse right now to just climb up and just look at the view, and then after we're gonna go by the beach where I got the burger yesterday. I'm gonna like get a hot dog, and then I have a reservation for the steakhouse at 8 p.m. tonight, and then they have silent food party tonight. So yeah, the last night seems, you know, it's gonna be full of fun and frolic. Oh, I checked back my phone. I went through some stuff and deleted some old stuff, so now my phone is not full anymore. I'm not sure what happened, but I hope it stays that way. And yeah, I wanted to do a review of the resort while I'm here, but I don't think that's gonna work out at all based on space. And you know what, we're gonna have to get something that we can transfer these stuff, like a MacBook or even an iPad. An iPad would so work to transfer some of my stuff. But you know, we're gonna get there eventually. So let's get into the fit. You guys know this pants already. This, you know, top, and bam, I didn't even get to go into the beach water. It's because homegirl was here, but she's done. But I don't know how I feel about going into the water anymore. But yeah, let's go to the White House, y'all. White House, seriously, let's go to the lighthouse and then grab some lunch. And yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Hola.
Hola.
So I'm at the lighthouse, y'all. Beautiful view. This is definitely like a nice perk with this hotel, you know, to have a nice lighthouse that you can just take the elevator up and just look at the beautiful view. Final dinner for this hotel for this vacation. We're heading out to work. Booked reservation for 8 o'clock at the steakhouse. Whew, the food better be good. So cute, quick fit, I should say. Link for this dress, it's in the previous video, and just the regular fits. Steve Madden Shein bag, and yeah, or jewelry. We put on a little light makeup, and we're ready to go for a final night. Yeah. By the way, when I know someone bring heels, and all know, I haven't worn it. Yeah, we just can't be bothered. All right, babes, let's head out. Gracias. It's not bad. Oh, yeah, come on. Yeah. Yeah. Gracias.
Make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. You think that I love you every day.